Shit from T-O-Leto, boozing and sipping on disco lafo. Better than hanging with some gold digging a hole, yeah. We're vibing and jamming, ni bago na mo track. Kalmado di maldito kini among attack. Pinasmooth ra ang agino, dili ni pinacrack. Relax lang o paanod bisa pag mga buwak, yo. No need to panic, cause this shit's organic. Kung ganahan ka, alit dali sabay sa among picnic. Kay dali sa among tapok of fun. No place to critic, having and some smoke nga sa utok mo makapagitig, haha. Igabay komedya, haha. Igabay kabuang, haha. Kinahinga mo ang tripinig tukar kay puro haha. Ingani mi basta kami magtapok kay sabay-sabay rami dari nga mga hustle the fly. Ipasang pampagana sa hula-hula pampakalma. Pasapre. Ipasang pampagana sa hula-hula pampakalma. Hey, yo, shit.
Hit the green, life is great. Feel that vibe, see me smiling, no problems in this earth. Feeling like I'm walking in the sky, me and my dog vibing in the shit. We don't bang with a snitch, right? We don't understand, keep quiet. We don't speak the same language, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'm on a different planet, see, on either side. With LSD kicking on my mind, purple Sprite, rolling some J. Hey, we ain't living in the same shit, nah. SYD, you be crippin' DOC for those who know me, fuck peace. If you hate me, just hate me, now I know you know me. At the end of the day, we gonna leave this earth. Peace and love to everybody. Yeah, I'm out, you know, pass the pipe.
Pasapre. Ipasang pampagana sa hula-hula pampakalma. Pasapre. Ipasang pampagana sa hula-hula pampakalma. Oh shit, it's your turn, my bro.
Thanks, dog.
Really?
Yeah, you was a bomb, dog.
This shit really kicks, you know?
You feel me?
One more. Shit.
I think I need a nap.